Solving simultaneous equations by elimination method. In the previous video, we have done by substitution method. So this is the elimination method. Let's practice more for elimination method. Equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Two equations are given to you. You have to solve them. Solve means what? You have to find the value of x and y. Second equation, you have to rearrange. X plus y is equal to constant. First equation is already arranged. Second equation you have to rearrange. This is equation number 1. 2x plus 6y is equal to 4. Equation number 2 you have to rearrange. So it will become x minus 2y is equal to 12. Right? X minus 2y plus 2y will be shifted on the left hand side. It will become minus 2y. X minus 2y is equal to 12. Now these are equation 1 and equation 2. Now you have to eliminate either x or y. X can be eliminated if you multiply equation number 2 by 2. Multiply equation number 2 by 2. What is the reason? Because this will become 2x. This is 1x. When you multiply by 2, it will become 2x. Then 2x minus 2x will be cancelled. X will be eliminated. So let's multiply equation number 2 by 2. So it will become 2x plus 6y is equal to 4. This is equation 1. And equation 2 will become 2x minus 4y. 12 multiplied by 2 will give you 24. 12 2s are 24. Now this is 1 and this is 2. Now you can eliminate x if you subtract 2 from 1. If you subtract 2 from 1, subtract 2 from equation number 1, then x will be eliminated. Let's see how. This will become minus x. Because subtraction means you have to change the sign of the second equation. This minus will become plus. And this plus will become minus. This is plus, so this becomes minus. 2x minus 2x will be cancelled, will be eliminated. X is eliminated. Now y is remaining, and you can find the value of y. 6y plus 4y will give you 10y. Right? And 24 minus 4. 4 minus 24 will give you minus 20. Minus sign will come because 24 is a bigger integer and 24 is having minus sign. So minus 20. 4 minus 24 is minus 20. Let's continue further. It will become 10y is equal to minus 20. From here, you can find the value of y. Y is equal to minus 20 divided by 10. So y is equal to minus 2. This is the value of y, which is done. Y is equal to minus 2. Now you can find the value of x. Right? You can substitute the value of y in equation number 2. Let's find the value of x. Y is negative 2. Find x now. Then y is negative 2. Use equation number 2 to find x. Equation number 2 is x is equal to 12 plus 2y. What is the value of y? It is -2. From here, you can find the value of x. 12 minus 4, right? Minus plus into minus is minus, 2 to the 4. 12 minus 4 will give you 8, right? Positive 8. So x is done and y is -2. So this is the answer. So the solution set is solution set is 8, comma, -2. This is the answer. 8, comma, -2. So the last step is left. It is verification. We will substitute 8, comma, -2 in equation number 1, or equation number 2 also you can use it, but we are using equation number 1 now. For 8, comma, -2. 8, comma, -2, we are verifying. Let's see how to do verification. Any equation you can use, equation 1 or equation 2. So now, equation 1 is 2x plus 6y is equal to 4. Substitute 8 and -2, you should get 4. So what is the value of x, which you are just found? X is equal to 8 and y is -2. You should get 4, the right hand side. 2 8s are 16 minus 2 6 are 12. 16 minus 12 will give you 4. So in this way, the equation is satisfied. And what is the answer? We are done by elimination method. The answer is 8, comma, -2. And you have verified also, it means our answer is 100% correct. 8, comma, -2. So we are done simultaneous equation by elimination method. Let's see the other question by elimination method. Next question is 6x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. 7x minus 5y minus 93 is equal to 10. Let's solve it. Equation 1 and equation 2. We have to solve by elimination method. So first you have to arrange 6x plus 2y is equal to -6. Constant should be there on the right-hand side. And 7x minus 5y is equal to 10 plus 93. 93 will come on the right-hand side and it will become 10 plus 93. 6x plus 2y is equal to -6. And 7x minus 5y is equal to 10 plus 93. Let's solve it further. It will become 6x plus 2y is equal to -6. And 7x minus 5y. Now you have to solve 10 plus 93. It is 103. You have to eliminate x or y, right? So x can be eliminated if you multiply equation number 1 by 7 and equation number 2 by 6. So we are eliminating y. Let's eliminate y. So how y can be eliminated? When you multiply equation number 1 by 5 and equation number 2 by 2. Let's multiply. So you got 5 6 are 30x plus 10y is equal to 6 5s are 30. We are multiplying equation number 1 by 5. And equation number 2 by 2. So it will become 2 7s are 14x minus 2 5s are 10. Y is equal to 103 multiplied by 2. It will become 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 1s are 2. 206. Now you can eliminate y. How you can eliminate y? If you add these two equations, you have to add these two equations. When you are adding these two equations, then 10y and minus 10y will be cancelled. And you can add 30 plus 14 will give you 44x. 30 plus 14 will give you 44x. And here also you have to solve 206 minus 30. It will give you 176. Right? 206 minus 30 will give you 176, and sign of the bigger integer will come. So plus sign will come because 206 is a bigger integer and 206 is having plus sign. Now, solving it further, you will get x is equal to 176 divided by 44. From here, you can get the value of x. 176 divided by 44 will give you 4. This is the value of x. X is equal to 4. Now you can find the value of y. Okay, so we are solving equation number 1 to find the value of y. X is equal to 4. X equals to 4. Now we are finding y. Equation number 1. 6x plus 2y is equal to negative 6. Keep the value of x. X is equal to 4. 6 multiplied by 4 plus 2y is equal to minus 6. 6 4s are 24. Plus 2y is equal to minus 6. Now, 24 will come on the right-hand side. It will become minus 24. Solving it further, 2y is equal to, now you have to add 6 plus 24 because 2 minus signs are there. So you have to add, but minus will come in the answer. Minus 30. This to be added and minus is there in the answer. You can find y. Minus 30 divided by 2. So the value of y is minus 15. And x is equal to 4. And y is equal to minus 15. 4 comma minus 15 is the answer. Now we will verify the answer. 4 comma minus 15. Let's verify. 4 comma minus 15. This is the answer we will verify. To do verification or to verify, to check whether our answer is correct or not. Let's keep in equation number 1, or if you want to use equation number 2, we can use equation 2. It's a little hard. Let's use equation number 2. 7x minus 5y is equal to 10 plus 93. What is the value of x? You have just found it. It is 4. What is the value of y? You are just done with it. It's minus 15 is equal to 10 plus 93. 10 plus 93 will give you 103. You have to solve the left-hand side and you should get 103. Then we can say that, okay, this answer is verified and the equation is satisfied. So what is the next step? 7 4s are 28. Minus into minus is plus. Now you have to multiply 15 and 5. You will get 75. Now you have to add 75 and 28. It will give you 103. 28 plus 75 will give you 103, and 103 is already there on the right-hand side. So it means that the equation is satisfied and your answer is correct. What is the answer? It's 4, negative 15. This is the answer, and it is verified, the equation is satisfied. Practice more for simultaneous equation by elimination method or by substitution method. And it is given in the question, you have to solve by elimination or you have to solve by substitution. If nothing is given in the question, you can solve by any method, elimination or substitution. I hope you are understanding. If you have any doubt, you can just give me your doubt in your comments. I will reply. Thank you so much for attending this session.